This video will show you how to use our Search Strategy Builder tool. The Search Strategy Builder is a tool to help you create a search string using Boolean logic. It is not a database or a way to find resources, but once you input your keywords, you can cut and paste the results into a database search box. Since this tool uses Boolean logic, let's learn more about Boolean. Boolean logic uses phrases such as and, or, not to connect keywords and improve your database search. Using and will include both of your keywords in a search, narrowing down your results. This example here, if you search for bullying and schools, it will show you results when both of those words are present. Or is used to connect like ideas or synonyms and helps find articles that express the same idea in different ways. For example, laws or politics, if searched, will show you when those ideas are separate and together, and they are similar terms, so that's why we use or. Not excludes words from your search and narrows your search. Not is not included in this search strategy builder, but it's important to know that if you don't want to include something in your search, you add not before it, such as bullying and not cyberbullying. It will only show results where bullying are present. This tool gives you space for three main concepts. You don't have to use all of them, but it's there if you need it. The first row of boxes are your main concepts. The boxes under those main concepts are a place to put synonyms, like terms, or examples of that concept. Let's do an example search to see how it works. If we were researching women's fashion in the 1900s, our main keywords are women, fashion, 1900s. And then underneath women, a synonym we could use is female. Under fashion, we have a few more options for synonym, like dress, or clothes, or style. And in the 1900s, another word for that would be the 20th century. So we could put, okay. After we filled in all of the terms we want to use, we click this gray button here, and a search string is created. From here, we can copy and then use the link down below to either go to Discover Search and paste those. We can paste that search string in there to create a search and find resources. We can also go back and see that we have a link to our list of databases. We can pick a database here and insert that same string in the search box here. If we need inspiration for related terms, keywords, synonyms, etc., we have some more links down at the bottom here. For example, in the Encyclopedia Credo reference is a great tool. So if we searched for an idea like fashion, there will be a little web of like terms on the right-hand side here, and also under each summary of entry, the key concepts will be shown here. So it's a great way to get ideas for keywords, synonyms, and like terms. Also in Discover Search, let's go back to that. In Discover Search on the right-hand side, we have subject. And these will show the subjects of all of the results that you have been given. So these are another great way to find keywords for your search. If you have any questions about how to use this search strategy builder or any other things as you do your research, using the box on the right-hand side of the front page, click here for online support. You can ask a librarian, which gives you an email form, chat with us online when this is green, or request a meeting with one-on-one help.